From Times Square, this is Good Morning America with Charles Gibson and Diane Sawyer.
Thanks, Tony. And now we bring you the new twist in the Michael Jackson case. After 9 weeks of testimony, 87 witnesses, the prosecution is rested. And this morning, the defense expected to come out swinging. Our lead Jackson correspondent, 2020's Jim Avila, is here. And he has yet another exclusive that could throw a wrench in this already turbulent trial. Jim?
It could be important, Diane. Just as his attorneys began their defense of Michael Jackson, ABC News has uncovered serious questions about one of the jurors who will decide the case. Questions that could lead to the removal of this juror from the panel.
ABC News has learned of a development that could alter who sits in the jury box. This young man is a key witness in the case against Michael Jackson. On the stand, he told jurors the singer molested him as a child. This woman is the sister and roommate of one of those jurors. ABC News has learned these two people, the witness and the juror's live-in sister, work together in the same small auto parts store in Santa Maria, just blocks from the courthouse where the juror sits in judgment. A relationship the court knows nothing about and is being revealed for the first time this morning. A relationship that could mean the removal of the 20-year-old cashier, an Hispanic male we can only identify as juror number 11.
That fix would be to simply excuse the juror and substitute one of the alternates.
Why does this matter? Because jurors are instructed that everything they learn about the case should be learned in court. With the juror's sister working side by side with a key witness, there is at least the opportunity for outside information to reach juror number 11.
It does raise the question of about whether or not, under those circumstances, both sides can get a fair trial, and particularly important for Michael Jackson.
At the beginning of the trial, potential jurors were read the names of each potential witness, including this witness. They were supposed to identify any name they had heard before. Juror number 11 said nothing then, and perhaps he didn't know then or now that his live-in sister worked side by side with this prosecution witness. But jury consultant Richard Gabriel says it's a question the judge needs to ask now.
The judge and both sides have to inquire what the knowledge is, whether the knowledge has colored their experience.
Now, the options for the judge are many. He could just ask a few questions. He could dismiss this juror. Diane.
All right, I want to move on and ask about opening day for the defense. What's their big opening statement? What's it going to be?
Well, they're going to come out swinging. The defense will contend that the prosecution has not proved its case. They're going to have a motion to dismiss. And as we hit the halfway mark of this trial, the judge will almost surely deny that motion. And then the defense will call its first witness today, one of the boys who the prosecution says Jackson molested 10 years ago. All that, of course, is leading up to Macaulay Culkin, who was expected to take the stand next week.
Expected to be a big star witness for the defense.
Sure.
Okay, Jim, and we want to let everybody out there know Jim knows pretty much everything about this trial. And if you want to ask him any questions, go online, because he's going to be there to answer them at gma.abcnews.com. Charlie?
All right, thanks, Diane.